ये सबसे आसान तरीका पता है क्या है? क्रेन स्टार्ट की एयर बनाया, ठीक, ये आपका न्यूट्रल हो गया. दिस वन इज टी फॉर ऑल द गियर्स. इफ यू वांट गो स्लो at D, put it this one. But remember one thing, if you use this line all over this, you must be press this one. Your lever is completed. If you want to check if this is good or not, do not. This is coming down. Look, all are blinking. This one not blinking. This one not blinking. After some time, this blinking is stopped. Look, everyone is stopped. It means you are done. This is reverse. If you want to put this one, after that you putting the gear, it's go very slow. Okay. Like four bit. Done this one. This one lock. This all is suspension. For front side, back side, front side, back side. This front side left, front side right. Back side left, back side right. This one for same. This one for same. This is lock. This is tire cut. Wheel cut. You know the wheel cut. About if you want to cut their side, cut little bit area for 360 degree. Just think. Same as per Tadano. Just come here. Come little. No problem. I have too much space there. Sir, whenever you put this, first you press and press this. Press this one. After that you check the mid is not cutting. Only the front and the back. If front tire go like this, your back tires go like this. Back will go like this. If you're putting this is good. This is good. But little space if you want to turn 360 degree, turn more in the plant, in the little space, with the little space, you use this one. All are tire cuts. If you put this is very good. Joking like this. If just suppose your crane position like this, everything is good. But if you want more minimum radius, but you don't want like go back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, just put this one, little bit go forward. If you want go there, cut your all over the steering. It's same like this, same position, same like this, same like that. You don't need to go forward, go backward. After that you take your crane straight. In this wheel you lock this one, use this, and this is same in front at 5, number of 5, front are locked, only move back, only cutting back. This is temperature, fan, lights, front AC row, side light, lamp, hazard. After you complete this one, lock the suspension. After that you lock the suspension. This is your remote. Here if you want to increase RPM, look, it's increasing. If you want to decrease, it's decreasing. If you want to stop from here, just think you go another side for taking some tea, having breakfast. If you want to stop, take your Bluetooth. Is it stopped? Start. So suppose you are in the canteen area, you want to start the crane, just putting this, start your crane. Just go back. F1, always F1, go back. This is your outrigger. If you want to change functions, F4. Okay. Now this is your crane position. Just check, this is your crane position inside this. This outrigger is number 2, back 1, here 3 and 4. If you come there, come like this, If you want to change, press F4. This is change. Here have button, but in new model, in new crane, it's like this inside sensor. After that, you want to come out, it's coming out. Check, it's come. If you want to close, just close. If you want to put extend one by one, okay, no problem. First you change this one 3. Check. Yes. It's coming. It's called close. After this completed, extending your outrigger. If you want, when you go putting pads and jack down, go this one. And some, if you want to auto, there you auto like this. First you press all over and click this. Is auto level. After auto level completing, you think this is too much high. Too much high. Little bit this one. Go down. Go down. Go down. क्यों बज रही? चुप हो जाओ.
एक सिग्नल
The main thing is this one.
Okay.
And this one. The main thing is this and this. Always remember one thing. Never use the crane. First, lock your suspension. First up and lock. After you go for use the crane and all the things. You know about the load charts and all over the things. What is the model number of this crane?
Model number
Yeah.
1152.
What is 5.2? This is dash.
5
LTM 1100 5.2. 5.1 is good. 5.2 is also good. Before we check the load chart, we must know about this, about this, about this and about this. What is this and what is this?
This one
Because if you don't know this, if you don't also don't know this, you don't know about the load chart. Just because look, this is explanation of your symbols. This also is explanation of your symbols. One by one you check. Just tell me one thing. This is a basic boom length. This is also the basic boom length. 11.5 meter and 11.5 meter. Why this 100 ton at 2.7 meter and 2.8 meter is 98.6, at 3 meter 7 ton, 17 ton and 3.5 meter 13.4 ton? Why?
This place it has a counter rate. It's 26.
About the counter rate.
No counter rate.
And check one more thing. This is
Yes,
0
yes,
degree.
yes.
It's just peak and go down, not swing.
So,
Just peak and go down, not swing. But at this, it's 360 degree.
Can't swing.
Outrigger check. Check outrigger is same. Check the counterweight. Check here counterweight. The full counterweight is how much? How was the full counterweight?
52.
Brother, 26.
A fully
Huh?
26.
This is 26 counterweight. Same all over the. You check 0 counterweight, 360 degree, 3 meter 68, 50. Like this. This code is also available inside your cable, inside your computer. If you want to direct put the code. This is the thing. The three times you change the code. 46 and
46, 92, and 100.
46, 92 and
100.
किसान भाई गर्मी बढ़ गया है।
इधर को
ये सब 0 टन का है काउंटर वेट का। अभी आपको काउंटर वेट